This video, we are going to discuss elementary research methodology. So first of all, what is the meaning of research? Research is an organized and systematic way of finding answers to questions. And we have some definitions given by different authors. So all the definitions are important, which defines a research methodology and research method and research design. Research is a structured inquiry that utilizes acceptable scientific methodologies to solve problems and creates new knowledge that is generally acceptable. This is given by Grinnell further. And Burns defines research as a systematic investigation to find answers to a problem. Kerlinger defines scientific research is a systematic, controlled, empirical, and a critical investigation of proposition about the presumed relationship about various phenomena. So like this, we have few more definitions of research and criteria of good research. I have 7 points which explains the good research. If the research is a good research, these 7 points must be satisfied. First, the purpose of research should be clearly defined, and the second, the research procedure should be described in sufficient detail. The procedural design of the research should be carefully planned. The researcher should report with complete frankness flaws in procedural design and estimate their effect upon their findings. The analysis of data should be sufficiently adequate to reveal its significance. The conclusions should be confined to those justified by the data of the research and limited to those for which the data provide an adequate basis. Greater confidence in research is warranted if the researcher is experienced, has a good reputation in research, and is a person of integrity. So these are the important points which we need to focus for a good research. Next, qualities of a good research. If the research is a good research, we need some qualities like good research is a systematic, and second, it is a logical, third, it is empirical, and fourth, it is replicable. So these 4 points are more important for a quality of good research. Next, the characteristics of research. When we talk about characteristics of research, first point we talk about solution oriented. And the second point, it should be logical. The research should be a logical in manner. And then the objective of the research. Objective of the research. Then impartiality of the research, accuracy of the research, systematic research, verifiability, and empirical. These are the main points we focus when we talk about the characteristics of good research. Then objectives of research. When we frame an objective for a research, understanding a business problem is first we need to focus, then identifying the cause and effect relationship, then to innovate new ideas, to improve the quality. These are the important points we need to focus to create an objective for research. Nature of research. When we talk about nature of research, there we have few more important points like research is process, research is properly conducted, whether the research activity will help us in testing of hypothesis, and the research is a fact-finding process. These are the nature of research. Importance of research. All development and progress in the society is an outcome of a research work. Research provides base for the policies formation of the government related to agriculture, industries, and infrastructural services in the region. In this context, investigation in the structure of economy is conducted through compilation of data and analysis of facts. Research has special importance in relation to solving various problems of business and industries. The importance of research can also be ascertained through its application in socio-political sector in order to find out solution to social and political problem of the society. Then relevance of research. The research is extensively used everywhere in business for planning, forecasting, and decision making. And research establishes the relationship between variables and functional areas. Research is main source of decision making as it helps the process of thinking. Restriction in research. When we talk about the restriction in research, the research usually suffered with a certain restriction in spite of its relevance and usefulness. And sometimes the authorities are also not serious about the implementation of the decision taken. The research activities are very expensive, therefore it may not be viable for small and medium scale unit to take advantage of the facilities. Motivation in research, we have few points like a desire to get a research degree along with its consequential benefits, desire to face the challenge in solving the unsolved problems, desire to get intellectual joy of doing some creative work, desire to be of service to society, desire to get respectability. Types of research. Here, the types of research is listed and research approach is explained. Research process also listed with the 10 points, with this 10 points and significance of research in each field like psychology, sociology, economics, geography, education, medical field, business management, and government in various sector, how the research contribute in a day-to-day life. So that significance of research is listed in these following slides. Then problems encountered by researcher, so lack of skilled researcher, lack of code of conduct, insufficient interaction, overlapping research studies, lack of confidence, lack of funds and facilities, lack of literature. So we have these kind of problems encountered by researcher. Thank you.